Hello, my name is Nevis and I want to take you through the Tesol Online with AI course that I'm taking, also known as TOAI. Okay, so let's have a look. We're at the overview page. I just want to introduce what the course looks like at the present. It's on a Moodle run by Dr. Nellie Deutsch. And this blue section tells me the course that I'm in. If I click on participants, it will also show me any grades that I may have, any activities that I have to do, badges that I may have received, and more. Let's have a look here on the left-hand side. We have a course index. So this course index goes through everything, the announcements that are made nearly every week or every second day there's an announcement. So it's good to click on this tab if you can't see the announcements. The orientation section, the week 1 introductions, and as you can see, I've completed most of them. I'm still working through the course, so I hope to get through to the end of this course and earn my certificate. So this is the overview, the course index, which you can get to each section by just clicking on it here. And remember, the green color tells me that I've completed it. And where there is no green color or where there's a dot, an open dot like this, it's telling me that I need to complete the course. So let's close the left-hand side of the website, and we're going to go over here to the block drawer on the right-hand side. So if I open this up, I can see that there is the QR code for the Moodle if I want to add it onto my phone, for example. I've already done that. It's quite easy. And then there's the latest announcements here that Dr. Nellie has put up, and upcoming events, also the activities, all the activities that we need to do, like the external tools we can use, the forums that we need to use, glossaries, resources, sticky notes, Zoom meetings, and then there's also a completion progress, and there's a level up area here telling me that I've participated in the course and at what level I'm at. I'm only at level 4. I can go ahead and play around with getting more points for the level to level up by working on the actual course. So that's a bit of incentive for us to want to work. There's no badges yet. As I receive badges, they'll appear here. Certificates, there's only one end certificate for this course, the certificate of completion, so hopefully that'll be here. And one thing to note is that the certificate for this course in particular is legitimate, and there will be a verifiable code, and so that means you can add the certificate to your LinkedIn profile, which is something that I will do as soon as I finish this course. Okay, so let's have a look I'm going to close the block drawer on the right, and let's have a look here in the middle. In the middle we have all the sections that we need to look at. So there's the overview, which is this page here, tells me exactly what to expect in every week. Then there's the orientation week, which hopefully it's taking me to the orientation. Here it is, yes. And it's given me a lot of tutorials to watch. Slowly they're appearing here. All these video tutorials will help me understand what I need to do in the Moodle. If there's anything that I don't know how to do, like how to embed a YouTube video, how to fix the size of the video within the Moodle, these are all practical things. Then there's the introductions area. And something to note importantly is how to communicate with one another. So apart from communicating in the actual activities, what's important is to communicate in the support forum if you are having any problems understanding what to do or getting lost within the course. So that's one very important, because it means that anyone that's online can help you maybe resolve it fairly quickly. The other way to get in touch with Dr. Nellie or anyone is to send an email up here by clicking on the mail icon. And as you can see, I received a mail, so I'll go and look at that in a minute. So make sure you click on that and use that to communicate with Dr. Nellie if you need to. Okay, so the other thing is that you can see where you're at here as well. These are the classic tabs that will take you to these tabs and various things that you need to do. At the bottom of each page, you'll see things that are to do or done. Okay, I think that's it. Remember to update your profile with your time zone so that when you look at the events here, they will show up in your time zone and not Dr. Nellie's time zone or someone else's time zone. Okay, so that was the last thing. Goodbye from Nevis, and hope to see you within the course, and I look forward to completing this course with all of you. Thank you for listening.